First word. Room. Room means kaksh. Let's see one example. This is my bedroom. यह मेरा शयन कक्ष है. Second word. Hear. Hear means suno. Let's see one example. Hear my words. मेरे शब्द सुन लो. Third word. End. End means समाप्त. Let's see one example. Here, road ends. यहाँ रोड समाप्त होता है. Fourth word. Next. Next means अगला. Let's see one example. Give me next seat. मुझे अगला सीट दे दो. Fifth word. Reply. Reply means जवाब दे दो. Let's see one example. Please reply. कृपया जवाब दे दो. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.